Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Calendar to schedule school assignments. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Over here, click the Create button in the top left corner. After that, select Task from the drop down menu. Then enter a clear title for your task like English Chapter Summary. Over here, click on the desired date in the calendar to set the due date. After that, add any extra details or description if needed. Then click the Save button. Over here, to color code your tasks, find your task list on the left and click the three vertical dots. After that, choose a color you like. Then on the right panel, click the task icon to see your list of tasks. Over here, check off tasks as you complete them by clicking the radio button next to each task. After that, if you need to add a subtask, click on the three vertical dots next to a task and select Add a subtask. Then enter details, set a due date, and click Done. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.